Hi everyone. In this video, I will demonstrate you how we can create a simply mock server in Node.js. Mock server provides dummy APIs. Sometimes we may face a situation when we don't have a real API. In that situation, we can create a mock server and we can create some dummy APIs that we can consume in our front-end application. So in this video, I will demonstrate you how we can create a simply mock server quickly. First, I have created one directory mock server and this directory is empty. We will create a node application. So my node.js version is 1.16. So you can install the latest node.js version in your PC. So very first command we should issue to the command prompt is npm init. npm init command creates the package.json file. When we enter this command, it asks some questions. We can simply ignore all question and we can press enter on all the forms, and we have our package.json file. So in order to create any mock server, we have to create a http server. An http server can be created by http module, but here we will use express module. Express module will help us to create a http server. Now we will install express module with npm command. npm install express. We also need one more module course. npm install this. These modules help us preventing course error. We have installed two modules, course and express. Now we are ready to write code in our Node.js applications. I have created this mock server directory and our files are here, node modules and package.json. I will create one more file, index.js. So we can create index.js file in our root directory. So I can provide now index.js and here is the blank index.js file. In this file, we will write code to create our mock server. First, we will import express package by require command express. Then we will import course. Course package prevents course error. This is required in express. Now we can define our port 3000 and then we can start our server. So we have app instance and with app.listen we can start our server, and so we will provide port in app.listen and we can also provide a callback function in the listen function, and here we can have a simple log server is running. We have created a simple express HTTP server. We can test it by command prompt. Our endpoint is index.js. We can simply use this command node index.js. I think there is some error. Okay, we forgot to initiate the app. So one more step is required. We have to create app instance from the express that we forgot. So now we have created app from the express and we can check our API. Our message is coming, server is running, means our server is running successfully. Now we can create an API. With app instance, we can create get API, post API, put API, and delete API. These all are HTTP methods. But here we will create only get API. We will create get API and its endpoint will be get user. In this example, we are creating get user API. In app.get, we can pass API route and a function. This function will be executed on this get user route. When user will call this API with this get user route, this function will be executed. And in this function, two parameters. Two, there are two parameters is passed in this function request and response. So request and response. So request hold the data related to request and response hold the data related to response that we will send to the client. With the response variable, we can send JSON to client. Here in this response JSON, we can send some dummy data to the client. So here we don't have any data. We are just passing two places and we will create some dummy data using ChatGPT quickly. I'm quickly creating some dummy data for users. Provide 10 users records in JSON format. It will provide us quickly 10 records in JSON format. We can copy this JSON and create a new file in the root directory user data.json. We can simply import this user data JSON in user data variables. All the JSON data is in this user data variable, and we can simply pass this user data in this JSON. So our API is ready now. We can test it now. We can just simply restart our server. Our server is running and we can check our API. So our route is get user and server is running on localhost 3000. We can just simply pass this URL. And here is the output. Our API is working now. So guys, you saw that our API is working. Now we will see how we can use this course package in our API. We just need to pass this course as a middleware in app.use. So just write app.use and pass this course function as a middleware. This course function will prevent the cross origin error when you will work with the different domains. Now we can test our API again. So our server is running, means API is working. We can just refresh this URL and we are seeing that API is working. So we have successfully created our mock server using Node.js. So friends, you saw that how we created a simple mock server using Node.js. You can add more APIs in this Node.js applications. So guys, thanks for watching my video and please subscribe and like. And if you need any specific video, please comment. I will create and upload the video for you. Thanks. Thanks again.